Hey, what's up guys? If you're curious on how to change oil in your 2016 Mazda 6, we're going to go ahead and do that today. And you'll know it's time for an oil change because on your dash you'll get the big wrench indicator in the middle of the screen. And I've got the car up on jack stands or on ramps in the garage. And we're going to go ahead and go into the screen. So to do that, we're going to go over to applications, we're going to go down to maintenance, and we're going to go ahead and reset everything before I get underneath the car. So I'm not getting back in the car to reset it at the end once I'm all dirty. So click on maintenance, oil change, reset. So there we go, we're done. So I went ahead and reset the time and the distance as well. And the schedule is all reset, and now you can see that the wrench is gone. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and get underneath the car. Alright, so we're underneath the car, and I bought my car used about a year ago and it was missing this little plate right here, so generally you'd have to remove this, but you can see the oil filter is right there, and this is the oil drain plug right here, and that's a number 8mm Allen head, so we'll go ahead and remove that after I take the filter off. So make sure not to forget to get that. Sometimes it sticks. You don't want to have two seals on there because it's going to leak. The recommended oil weight is 0W20, which you can see on the filler cap. We're going with the Wix filter because they're supposed to be one of the best. And yep. And I generally like to fill up my oil filter pretty much all the way. That way the oil pump is getting good pressure to begin with, and I lubricate the O-ring seal. And Wix is a lot more durable and well better made compared to Fram, which I've used for years. But after I watched a YouTube video of how Fram is made compared to Wix, I'll never use Fram again. I usually just tighten it by hand, wipe the oil off of it so I can get a good grip on it. Alright, that'll do it. Wipe the excess oil off so you don't get any leaks. And that is your complete job there. So we've got your drain plug or whatever. And I just reused the crush washer that was on there. It works just fine. Kind of the lazy and cheap way to do it, but I've never had leaks reusing it. What I think is so cool about this Mazda 6 is it has all this underbody flat plastic panels on everything to reduce wind resistance. It's kind of cool. It reminds me of the underside of like an R34 GTR Nissan Skyline. Right, and as far as oil capacity, service manual says 4.8 quarts, and that includes with the oil filter change. Oil cap on. I'm going to go ahead and start this up and back it down off the ramp so it's level. And now that the engine is run and the oil is circulated through the motor, I should be able to get an accurate reading of the oil level to make sure I'm good. Alright, we'll give it a good wipe. See where she's at. Give it a re-dip. Yeah, so I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but oil level is good. So we're good. Job done. Well guys, hopefully you liked this video. Oil change 2016 Mazda 6. Pretty simple, easy job. Just about anybody could do it. So Anyway, if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Have a good one.